Getting paid is a moment of financial empowerment and opportunity. Whether you receive your income on a monthly, bi-weekly, or weekly basis, what you do with your paycheck can significantly impact your financial health and long-term stability. To make the most of your earnings and secure your financial future, it's essential to have a plan in place. Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll walk you through a series of steps to consider when you receive your paycheck. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Set up direct deposits and automatic transfers to streamline your finances. First and foremost, if your employer offers the convenience of direct deposit, seize the opportunity to simplify your financial life. Direct deposit ensures that your paycheck is seamlessly and securely transferred directly into your bank account. This not only eliminates the hassle of handling physical checks, but also mitigates the risk of losing or mishandling them. Furthermore, consider setting up automatic transfers, a financial superpower that enables you to allocate a predetermined portion of your income to various accounts, including savings, investments, and retirement. Review your budget, the cornerstone of your financial plan. Before embarking on any financial journey after receiving your paycheck, it is essential to take a moment to review your budget. Your budget is akin to a financial blueprint, meticulously outlining your monthly expenses and delineating your financial goals. It is the compass that guides your spending decisions and helps you remain on course toward financial stability. Ensure that your budget is up to date, accurately reflecting your current financial situation and aspirations. If you have yet to create a budget, there's no better time than the present. Prioritize essential bills and expenses to maintain stability. With your budget as your guiding light, your immediate financial priority upon receiving your paycheck should be covering your essential bills and expenses. These essential expenditures encompass a spectrum of obligations, including but not limited to rent or mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, transportation costs, insurance premiums, and any outstanding debts. By prioritizing these financial obligations, you ensure that you maintain the foundational elements of your life and a stable living environment. Allocate to savings and emergency fund, building financial security. Once you've handled your bills, allocate a portion of your paycheck to savings. This commitment to financial security involves regular contributions to both a general savings account and an emergency fund. Your emergency fund acts as a financial safety net, safeguarding you from unexpected expenses. Aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. Tackle high-interest debt to liberate your finances. To improve your financial health, allocate part of your paycheck to pay off high-interest debts like credit cards, personal loans, or payday loans. These debts can quickly eat into your income due to high-interest charges. Reducing and eliminating them will free up more money for savings and investments, securing a better financial future. Fund your long-term goals. Depending on your financial goals and aspirations, it's essential to allocate a portion of your paycheck to long-term investments or savings. These goals may encompass contributing to retirement accounts, saving for your children's education through college savings plans, or investing in stocks, bonds, or other financial instruments. The power of compound interest and the growth potential of investments make early contributions to these long-term goals exceptionally valuable. The sooner you start, the more your money can grow. Create a miscellaneous fund. Within your overall budget, it's prudent to allocate a small portion of your paycheck to a miscellaneous fund. This fund serves a dual purpose. It caters to unforeseen and discretionary expenses. Unforeseen expenses could include minor home repairs, unexpected healthcare costs, or vehicle maintenance, while discretionary expenses might encompass dining out, entertainment, hobbies, or impulse purchases. By having a designated fund for these purposes, you strike a balance between financial discipline and enjoying the fruits of your labor. Regularly review your financial progress and adapt. In your financial journey, the landscape can shift. Regularly review your progress and make necessary adjustments. Assess savings, investments, and debt reduction efforts. Refine your budget as circumstances or goals change. When your income increases, boost contributions to savings and investments. Being vigilant and adaptable is essential in effectively navigating the evolving terrain of personal finance. So this was today's video. I hope you all like it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.